So for math today, hi, this is Miss Moses, and we are going to do our Monday math lesson. So for math today, we are going to be solving addition story problems. Let's try to remember what it means to add. We add when we are combining two groups together to figure out how many there are in all. So we use the plus sign when we're adding and we say plus. You say it, say plus. Very good. So when we add, we use the plus sign to tell us the two groups we're adding together. So if we're adding 2 plus 3, and then we want to know what it equals. Equals tells us how many there are in all. What does it equal? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Say plus, say equals. Let's get started with our math lesson. Our objective today for math is students will be able to solve addition word problems using drawings. So by the end of today's math lesson, students will be able to solve addition word problems using drawings. So first, we're going to read our first story problem. Our first story problem is about Leilani and Leah and about baby dolls. Let's read the problem and visualize what it's asking us. Leilani has 4 baby dolls. Leah has 5 baby dolls. If they play with their dolls together, how many dolls will they have? So we need to first think about what number and what unit does Leilani have, and what number and what unit does Leah have? Leilani has 4 baby dolls. So I underlined 4 baby dolls so that I can remember that Leilani has 4 baby dolls. Leah has 5 baby dolls. So I underlined 5 baby dolls because Leah has 5 baby dolls. This problem is asking us if they play with their dolls together. So if Leilani plays with her 4 baby dolls with Leah's 5 baby dolls, if they add them together, how many will they have? So we are going to take Leilani's 4 baby dolls and add them plus, so 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, those are 5 baby dolls that are Leah's, equals how many altogether? What is 4 plus 5 equal? Let's show some baby dolls to solve our problem. We need to add 4 plus 5 to see what it equals altogether. So we're going to first show the number of baby dolls that Leilani has. Then we'll show how many baby dolls Leah has, and then we'll count how many there are all together to add them. All right, let's show Leilani's 4 baby dolls first. So you can count as I show them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baby dolls that Leilani has. How many baby dolls does Leah have? She has 5. 5 baby dolls. So we need to show 5 baby dolls. You can count with me as I show them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We showed 5 baby dolls for Leah. So we have 4 baby dolls that Leilani has, and Leah has 5 baby dolls. So we have 4 plus 5 equals how many all together? Let's count to figure it out. We will cross them off as we count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 dolls all together. So if I'm going to fill in my number sentence, I have 4, because there were 4 dolls that Leilani had, plus 5 dolls that Leah had. So 4 plus 5 equals what? What does 4 plus 5 equal? 9. We counted 9 all together. So now we can answer this story problem question. If they play with their dolls together, Leilani and Leah will have how many baby dolls? Leilani and Leah will have 9 dolls all together. For our second story problem, we're going to be thinking about Noelle and Aaron and Kevin, and they're going to be playing with trains. First, we're going to listen to the story problem, and we're going to visualize what is the problem asking us to do. What do we need to find and solve? All right, listen. Noelle and Aaron are playing with 6 trains. Kevin gives Noelle and Aaron 2 more trains to play with. How many trains do Noelle and Aaron have now? So now I need to think about how many trains did Noelle and Aaron have to start? And then how many trains is Kevin giving to them? So I underlined 6 trains because Noelle and Aaron are playing with 6 trains. They have 6 trains right now. And then Kevin is giving them 2 more trains. So I underlined 2 more trains to remember that they are getting 2 more trains to play with. So we're going to be thinking about 6 trains that Noelle and Aaron are starting with. And then I showed plus because we're adding the 2 trains that Kevin gives to them. So Noelle and Aaron are starting with 6 trains plus the 2 trains that Kevin is giving them. And we need to think, what does that equal? What is 6 plus 2 equal to? Let's solve to figure it out. So first we're going to show the 6 trains that Noelle and Aaron have. And then we're going to show the 2 trains that Kevin has. And then we're going to count how many there are all together. So first, let's show the 6 trains that Noelle and Aaron have that they're playing with right now. Count with me as I show them to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Noelle and Aaron have 6 trains that they're playing with right now. Now, Kevin is giving them 2 more trains to play with. So we need to show the 2 trains that Kevin is giving to Noelle and Aaron. You can count with me as I show you the 2 trains that Kevin is giving them. 1, 2. So first we showed the 6 trains that Noelle and Aaron had to start. And then we showed the 2 trains that Kevin is giving to them. Now we need to figure out how many trains are there all together. What is 6 trains plus 2 more trains? Let's cross off the trains as we count how many there are all together. Count with me as I cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 trains all together. So the 6 trains that Noelle and Aaron had, plus the 2 trains that Kevin gives them, equals 8 trains all together. Let's fill in our number sentence. So we had 6 trains that Noelle and Aaron had to start, plus the 2 trains that Kevin gives them, equals how many all together? It equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now we can answer our story problem. Noelle and Aaron have 8 trains to play with now because Kevin gave them 2 more. Noelle and Aaron have 8 trains to play with. Let's read our story problem and try to visualize what the story is about and then what do we need to solve. Let's read it. Alexander and Charlie are collecting rocks. They have 7 rocks in their bucket. David puts 3 rocks in their bucket. How many rocks do they have now? So now we need to think about how many rocks Alexander and Charlie have to start. And then David puts some more rocks in their bucket. So they're getting more rocks. So I'm going to underline 7 rocks because Alexander and Charlie are starting with 7 rocks in their bucket. And then how many rocks does David put in their bucket? Yeah, that's right. 3 rocks. So David puts 3 rocks in their bucket. We need to write our addition sentence using the numbers from the story. I remember that Alexander and Charlie had 7 rocks in their bucket. So I'm going to write a 7. So they had 7 rocks in their bucket. Plus the rocks that David put in their bucket. How many rocks did David put in the bucket? 3 rocks. David put 3 rocks in their bucket. So we have 7 rocks plus 3 rocks that David gave them equals how many altogether? We're going to need to draw to solve. What is 7 rocks plus 3 rocks equal? What is 7 plus 3? I'm going to draw the 7 rocks that Alexander and Charlie have. I'm just going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to draw the 3 rocks that David gives. 1, 2, 3. Let's cross off to count how many there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So there are 10 rocks altogether. I can fill in my sentence to answer the story problem. The story problem asked me, how many rocks do they have now? They have 10 rocks now. Because I remember that 7 plus 3 equals 10. For this story problem, I'm going to read it to you and help you visualize it. But then I want you to try to solve it on your own piece of paper. Listen, Kelson has 4 cars. Aaliyah has 4 cars too. How many cars do they have if they share their cars? So we're going to need to figure out how many cars they have all together. Let's underline the number of cars that Kelson has. Kelson has 4 cars. So we know that Kelson has 4 cars. How many cars does Aaliyah have? Aaliyah has 4 cars too. So Kelson has 4 cars and Aaliyah has 4 cars. How many cars do they have if they share their cars? We need to write an addition number sentence. I want you to get a blank piece of paper and write your number sentence about the story problem. Kelson's 4 cars, Aaliyah's 4 cars. I will wait until you're done writing your number sentence. So you should have your first number plus your second number equals blank. Let's check and see if I can write the same thing that you have on your paper. So we knew that Kelson had 4 cars, so you should have a 4 for Kelson's 4 cars. And then we know that we're adding, so you should have the plus sign. Plus, how many cars did Aaliyah have? Aaliyah had 4 cars, so you should have another 4. And what does 4 plus 4 equal? I don't know. I need to put a blank. 4 plus 4 equals blank. Make sure that you have that on your paper. Now, I want you to draw circles to solve. What is 4 plus 4 equal to? Draw circles to solve. Okay, I'm going to draw my circles to see if my paper looks the same as your paper. So first I draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I draw 4 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I cross off to count how many I have all together. You do that first on your paper and write the number. Did you get it? All right, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8. Is that the same thing you got? All right, let's read our number sentence together. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's look back at our story problem. Kelson has 4 cars. Aaliyah has 4 cars too. How many cars do they have if they share their cars? This says they will have blank cars. If Kelson and Aaliyah share their cars 4 plus 4, how many cars will they have all together? They will have 8 cars. I will write an 8. Great job solving that story problem with me. Okay, kindergartners, did you solve that math problem by yourself? I sure hope you did. Let's see if we met our math objective for today's lesson. So we said that students will be able to solve addition word problems using drawings. Did we do that? Yeah, we did. We solved addition word problems and we drew circles to help us solve. Great job with our math lesson today. I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday for our writing lesson in the morning. Okay, bye.